Good evening, everyone. So, I am back with my new chapter of class 10th from NCERT, that is construction. So, we will today discuss the 5 types of construction from this particular chapter. Let's start without wasting a single minute. First type is division of line segment internally. For example, I have taken as a question from NCERT only. Divide a line segment AB is equals to 8 centimeter in 2 to 3 ratio and justify it. So for this, first of all, we have to draw the line of 8 centimeter like this. Mark it as AB, and draw any acute angle. Draw a line segment for any acute angle. Line only, that is like this. Name it as BAX with AB, and we have to cut this AX in 5 equal parts because 2 and 3 ratio means 5. 2 plus 3 means 5. Sum of two ratios, given two ratio is 5. So we will divide it as 5 equal parts like A to A1, A1 to A2, A2 to A3, A3 through A4, A4 to A5 like this. Thick. Then again we need to join this A5 to B. This B. Now we have to draw this A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. We have joined this A5 to B. Thick. Now we have to draw A2 and this line, wherever it will be, it should be parallel to this line. Matlab we have to draw this line parallel to this part of line. So just start with this. Take any angle. Take from here. Mark an angle like this. And from here, again with the same radius, mark like this. Very carefully we need to do this. Then just take the dimension like this, measure, and from this point you need to cut in this way, and here you will get this point like this. Draw this line, and this is parallel to this, and mark it as P. This A to P is parallel to A5B. So P is a required point which divides AB in 2 ratio 3. Thick. Now we will be doing justification here. Justification. We need to do the justification, and for justification we have to do some calculations here. So let's start. In triangle ABA5 we have A to P parallel to A5B. When parallel lines are there, then by Thales theorem, we will get AP parallel to PB is equals to AA2 upon A2 A5. This theorem states this only. So AP upon PB, what is AA2? 2. And what is A2 A5? 3. So thus P divides AB internally in 2 ratio 3. This much only. Next is construction of similar figures. For example, I have taken it. Construct a triangle in which AB is given and BC is also given and AC is also given. we need to construct a triangle which is similar to this triangle ABC, such that each of its side is 3 by 5 of the corresponding side of triangle ABC. ठीक, so let's start because all the 3 dimensions are given. So we need not to think anything that what should we do. We can take any dimension as its baseline. So I am here taking AB is equals to 4 centimeter as base. So here it is AB 4 centimeter. ठीक, take BC 5 centimeter. BC 5 centimeter, cut an arc like this, and AC 6 centimeter. Taking A as radius, cutting an arc on that particular arc like this, and this intersecting point is your C. Join this AC and BC. This is your 5 centimeter and this is your 6 centimeter. ठीक, then below AB we need to draw an acute angle, any acute angle, and mark it as X. ठीक, then we need to divide it, we need to find out the corresponding sides like 3 to 5. So we will be along AX mark 5 points, maximum of 6 and 5, maximum of 6 and 5 and 3 is 5 only. That is the reason why we are marking 5 equal points. Now from AB, below AB you need to draw an acute angle like this. Mark it as X. BAX is an acute angle. Now we have to mark 5 points, maximum of 3 and 5 in 3 by 5. So we are taking at 5 points. Just cut an equal arcs, A to A1, A1 to A2, then A3, then A4, then A5. Just label it A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Join this A5 to B with dotted lines. Again you need to draw a parallel line, that A5 of A5B, which will be parallel to A3B dash. Taking same arc, measuring this arc, cutting this arc here, and in this way join this and mark it as B dash. This will be your B dash. Now again the same thing we will be doing ups. For A, B, C should be parallel to B dash, C dash. Again taking an arc, same arc from B to BC and B dash to C. Then from B dash taking same arc, measuring this arc like this, cut this arc for the parallel lines, and here you will get C dash. Here BC is parallel to B dash C dash and A3 B dash is parallel to A5 B. So this is the required triangle. A B dash C dash is similar to A B C. Now justification we need to do. Justification will be like this. Justification will be B dash C dash is parallel to BC. Then triangle A B dash C dash is similar to triangle ABC. When the triangles are similar, their sides are proportional and equal. So B dash C dash is upon BC is equal to AB dash upon AB is equal to AC dash upon AC, and this is equals to 3 to 5. In this way, this is the question which we have to solve in the exams. But I must say that justification never comes. Hello everyone, I am back with some special chapters today. From geometry I will take today to explain the construction part of class 9 NCERT. Okay. So start with the topic construction of triangles of given perimeter and base angles. So we have taken one example here. Construct a triangle ABC whose perimeter is 9 cm, angle B is 60 degree and angle C is 45 degree. So let's start. So we have this rounder and ruler. So given is perimeter of triangle 9 cm. So with this we will start. First step is draw a line of line segment 9 cm. So let's start. Do not mark it as AB or BC. It should be like, take it as PQ or any of the variable. So 9 cm. Just draw a line segment of 9 cm. Step 2, you have to construct angle P 60 degree and angle Q 45 degree. Let's start. 60 degree to we know. The first take any arc, draw a semicircle. Like this. Cut an first arc that is 60 degree. Always you can check it with the help of protractor also. So this is this QPD is 60 degree. And the next is 45 degree. So take any arc again, draw 90 degree first and then draw the angle bisector of it. This is 90 degree. This is your 90. You don't require this, so you can mark it with a dotted line. It is just the helping angle for finding out the 45 degree. And from this point cut an arc, and from 0 cut another arc. You will get 45 degree like this. So this is the another arc which you can call PQE 45 degree. Step 3, you have to construct angle bisector of PA of angle QPD. And angle bisector of QA of angle PQE. And that should be intersecting at point A. PA and QI I said. So angle bisector, matlab 60 degree is angle bisector like this, 0 and 60 degree. This is your angle bisector. So mark it as a dotted line. Here 45 degrees angle bisector. So from 0 and this 45 degrees point, mark it again as dotted line. Here wherever you are finding this point, this is your A. Now the another is, you have to draw the bisector of, perpendicular bisector of line segment PA and line segment QA. So perpendicular bisector means you have to take more than half from this point and cut an arc up and down of lines this, again this point and this point. Just join this point line arcs. This intersecting point is your B. Same for QA. Take more than half arc of QA, cut an arc like this. Tick. Join these points. And this point is your C. This is the required. Join this A, B and AC. You will get a required triangle ABC whose perimeter is 9 centimeter. Definitely you can check it like this. Measure AB. This is your 2.5 centimeter. Measure BC. This is your 3.5 centimeter. 2.5 and 3.5 is 6 centimeter. Measure AC. This is exactly 3 centimeter. So this is how you are getting the perimeter of triangle ABC is equals to AB plus BC plus CA 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 3 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter. So this question is done like this. Now we are going for the next question, that is construction of an equilateral triangle when its altitude is given. So here your first step will be you have to draw a line PQ. And again the question, for example, we have taken. So draw a line PQ. Line, it's not line segments, it's just line PQ. Take and mark any point D on it. Just take it like this. You have to construct a ray DE which is perpendicular to PQ. Take. So you can take like this. Take any arc. Draw a perpendicular DE, which is, draw a line DE which is perpendicular to PQ. Take. So in this way you will draw a line DE. Take. So cut off DA 3.2 centimeter from DE. Next step, cut off DA is equals to 3.2 because it is altitude on DE. It is your point DA. Now you have to construct DAR in this side and the DAR in this side. Why we are taking it is equals to 30 degree. Angle DAR say that is equals to 30 degree, which is equals to half of 60 degree. Why 60 degree? Because all the angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So the ray AR will intersect, A and R will intersect PQ at B, and same cut off the line segment DC is equals to BD, and the next step we will do like that. So let's start. I am just doing like this, cutting an arc of 30 degree from here. From this point take any arc, don't confuse kids. Put your arc in this point, point A, cut any arc. Take. Now first arc is 60 and the angle bisector of this is 30 degree. So this will be your 30 degree like this. So this is the ray AR on PQ. Similarly, this point is BD. Tick. This is your point BD. Similarly, from this point, again, take any arc. First arc cut is always 60. Take an angle bisector of it like this. And this is your another S, and this point is your, you can just revolve this page like this and you will get C here. So you will see that BD is equal to CD. See, 1.5 and 1.5. Take in this way, this is your 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, it is an equilateral triangle. So we have joined AB and AC, take, and it is a required equilateral triangle ABC with its altitude (3.2 centimeter). Another question we will take for the same chapter, that is construction of triangle when its base and sum of other two sides and one base angle is given. So we have taken here one more example, that construct a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to 7 centimeter, BC plus CA is equals to 9 centimeter, and angle A is equals to 45. So step 1 is, starts with the step 1. Step 1 is you have to draw AB is equals to 7 centimeter. AB 7 centimeter. Thick. Then you have to construct angle BAP. We will take it as P, or you can take any of the variable, doesn't matter, 45 degree. So for 45 degree again we have to construct 90 degree. In this way you are practicing for 90 degree so many times. Okay, and practice makes a man perfect, that we know, but we don't do. So you have to do, you have to practice more and more so that the perfection should come in for the exams. From this point, this is your another point, draw an arc, this is your 0, draw another arc, and in this way you will get your 45 degree. So this is your 45 degree. Okay, this is BA, take it as P, 45 degree. ठीक, then from ray AP you have to cut off the line segment AD, which should be equals to BC plus AC is equals to 9 centimeter. So just cut off AD is equals to 9 centimeter. Take like this. Like this you have to cut. So extend this ray, you can extend this ray also because it is ray, so it can be extended. Mark P here, don't do it this, and this is your AD. Okay, it is 9 centimeter. This AD is 9 centimeter, which is equals to BC plus CA. Join B and D here. Join BD. Construct the perpendicular, you have to construct the perpendicular bisector of BD which will meet AD at C. So again perpendicular bisector, more than half. Cut an arc here and here. Another point from D. Now join this two intersecting points to get the another intersecting point C here on AD. Okay, so this will help you to take the centers. Okay, so join BC to obtain the required triangle. Very simple steps. Okay, now we have to, if this is your ABC, if you want to see that BC plus CA is equals to 9 centimeter or not, just see. BC 5 centimeter. BC is equals to 5 centimeter and AC is equals to 4 centimeter. See, BC plus CA is equals to 9 centimeter. So therefore BC plus CA 5 plus 4 centimeter is equals to 9 centimeter. आपका प्रूफ हो गया. Therefore, it is a required triangle ABC. ठीक. Now do the another question. This one. Construction of a triangle when its base and difference of two other sides and one base angle are given. So again we have taken one triangle. Construction of a triangle ABC in which AB is equals to 6 centimeter, angle A is equals to 45 degree and AC minus BC is equals to 2 centimeter. So for this again we have to draw the base side line segment. Base, without base you cannot draw the any triangle or any other polygon because base should be there. So we have drawn AB is equals to 6 centimeter. You have to construct again BA, any of the variable. I will take it as BAP again 45 degree. So again taking any arc, construction of 45 degree. In this video only I have taken 2 or 3 times. So you can also, you have to take. So construction of, before constructing 45 degree, construct 90 degree with the dotted line because we don't need that. Take. Then from here extend this arc and cut an arc here. You will get 45 degree. You can check it with the help of protector also that we are doing correct or not. BA, say B, it is 45 degree. Take. Then from this ray AP you need to cut off the line segment AD which should be equals to AC minus BC is equals to 2 centimeter. So just taking 2 centimeter which is very small line segment, very see like this. Here it will cut in. Take. Then join B and D. This is D point. It is not your C point, it is your D point. This is your D. Take. Then after you have to construct the perpendicular bisector of BD which will be meeting AP at C. So perpendicular bisector means again taking more than half of this line segment, cutting an arc here and here, again this arc and this arc. You need to join these two intersecting points with the dotted line. Like this. Take. This is your AD. Now you have to join this BD with the help of ruler. Like this. Okay? This is your point C because AD we have taken, so this is your C point. ABC. Okay? Join B and C. We get the required triangle ABC. Now we have to see also that AC minus BC is equals to 2 centimeter or not. Just see. AC, here it is 8.5 and BC is 6.5. AC is equals to 8.5 centimeter and BC is equals to 6.5 centimeter. So AC minus BC should be equals to 8.5 minus 6.5 centimeter is equals to 2 centimeter. Hence it is a required triangle. So in this way we have done 4 types of construction. Construction of a triangle when its base and sum of the other two sides and one base angle is given. Construction of a triangle when its base and difference of other two sides of a base angle are given. And this construction of a triangle when the perimeter and base angles are given, and construction of an equilateral triangle when the altitude is given. So 4 types we have covered this in this video. I hope it will be helpful for you. Thank you so much everyone. We'll meet very soon. Thank you.